Hello, welcome to the third Basic Sitavi webinar. This webinar we will be touching on creating structure for writing. The structures being created will help you to do your reading in Sitavi itself and then organize all your reading into the categories that you have created. And from there, you can import what you have done in Sitavi into Microsoft Word. So, there are three things that I would like to show you. The knowledge button, how to create categories and subcategory, and how you navigate the categories. So this is a fairly short webinar. So let's open our Sitavi project. That's the one you recognize from the first webinar. And this is the knowledge button that I would like to show you today. And it even says knowledge organizer. And as you click on it, then you come to a different page. And you can see it's all empty because I have not created anything yet. You can use this button here, new category or subcategory, but I find right-clicking my mouse is also plausible. So I will create the basic writing categories, introduction. You do not have to include a number because the number is being created for you automatically. And I want a main body and also conclusion. So I have the basic writing categories, and then because this is term papers or thesis paper, then you have a lot of subcategories or subheadings. Now I'm going to refer the headings to categories because it relates to Sitavi, but category could mean heading. So probably in my introduction, I would like to add historical background. So all I need to do is click on this main category and I will tell Sitavi I want to create a new subcategory. You can also use the short form that they have shown you, historical background. Now I'm spelling it on purposely wrong to show you how you can rename your work. So, I spelled it wrong, I want to change it. All you need to do is right click, choose edit, or you left click and hold for 3 seconds and release, and then the edit bar will appear. But I find it that right clicking is easier for me, so historical background. And in the main body I might want to talk about literature review, maybe I want theories, maybe. And in conclusion, I would like to talk about the results. And maybe I would also like to talk about suggestions and limitations. Maybe. And you say, all right, I'm pretty happy with this. And then you say, well, maybe I don't want the theories on the main body, but the theories of whatever you're doing under introduction. So you can see these buttons here, and you can see what it says, move up, move down. You can use the keyboard shortcuts that's been shown to you here, but I would use the button to move. I want to move theories under introduction to 1.2. So I will move up, move out, and make sure it's there. Now I have it where it's supposed to be, or where I want it to be. Okay, so that's how you navigate. And you might say, oh, I think I want to discuss the result after suggestions and limitations, so I'm going to move suggestions and limitations up. There you go. And if you want a subcategory in your subcategory, you can. All you need to do is highlight this subcategory, and you can say create new subcategory, and it's right there. And once you're done, it will do, let's see, Highland. I'm just putting Highland, and you can see the numbers are there. And if you say, I don't want Highland to be under literature review, he's a major guy, I want him to be in the regular subcategory or subheading, you can always move it around. Okay, so you can play around with it. And if you change your mind, you want this over there and you want that category over there, you can always change it. You can always rename them. All right, so that's how you arrange your writing categories or subheadings. One of the reasons you should do this, because it will definitely help you to think and plan how you would like to organize your writing. If you're able to organize your writing like this, then you know when a person who's going to read your paper will also see that you have managed to organize it well, and they can follow what you're trying to write. Now, if anything like this happens, cancellation, just delete it, no worries. And in the next webinar, I will show you how you can use the previews of your reading to help you to organize and put all of these things into your categories. All right, so that's the end of the Basic Sitawi webinar number 3. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.